One of the most optimistic forecasts for India's economic recovery comes from the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, the central bank of the country. The RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das predicted that India's GDP growth could be above 7% for 2022 to 23, based on the economic momentum maintained in the third and fourth quarters of the last fiscal. What are the factors that support this bullish outlook? According to Das, there are several positive signs that indicate a strong rebound in the Indian economy. These include the revival of consumer demand and business activity after the second wave of COVID-19 infections subsided. The improvement in key indicators such as electricity consumption, rail freight, e-way bills, GST collections, and PMI data. The robust performance of the agriculture sector, which accounts for about 15% of India's GDP and provides livelihood to more than half of its population. The expansion of the vaccination drive, which has covered over 40% of the eligible population with at least one dose and over 15% with both doses as of May, the accommodative stance of the monetary policy, which has kept interest rates low and liquidity ample to support credit growth and investment. The fiscal stimulus measures announced by the government, which have boosted public spending on infrastructure, healthcare, and social welfare. Das also acknowledged some of the risks and challenges that could hamper India's growth prospects. These include the uncertainty and severity of a possible third wave of COVID-19 infections and its impact on health and economic activity, the inflationary pressures arising from high commodity prices, supply chain disruptions, and demand-supply mismatches, the stress in the banking and financial sector due to rising bad loans and asset quality issues, the slow pace of structural reforms and ease of doing business improvements that are needed to enhance India's competitiveness and productivity. Despite these challenges, Das expressed confidence that India has the resilience and potential to overcome them and achieve a high and sustainable growth trajectory. He said that India's medium-term growth prospects remain bright due to its favorable demographics, large domestic market, diversified economic base, and entrepreneurial dynamism. He also urged all stakeholders to work together to create an enabling environment for growth and development.